I'm right here with you, bub. Don't worry. Pizza slice. Good. Pizza slice. Pizza slice. Pizza, okay. Hey, are you okay? Oh, it hurt? I'm sorry, buddy.
No, it didn't hurt. I was disappointed.
Oh, buddy, you know what? You were doing so good. You're doing great. Don't be disappointed. Everybody falls. Hey, buddy, I'm so proud of you. You're doing such a good job today. Okay? I'm going to help you up, and then we're going to go the rest of the way down, okay? Okay. All right, Ethan's taking another round with no rope. He's ready to rock. You ready to rock? Here we go. Good. Turn right. Turn. Turn. You did so good. You did so good. Buddy, that was awesome. You scared me because you were going really fast. But you did so good. You still gotta work on the turns though, buddy.